Here's my top 5 gift ideas under $30. Let's go. Number 1 is an ultra soft detailing brush, which is perfect for any car enthusiast on your list. They are great for knocking down dust and debris from your dash, entertainment, and console area, where they can get in between all the little buttons and switches you can't easily wipe. They are gentle enough to use during your initial vacuum or wet for a deeper clean, and are a must for cleaning glossy trim and other delicate surfaces. Number 2 is a drill brush set from Amazon. If you do a lot of scrubbing by hand, you are probably working too hard. Using a drill brush will give you faster results in your cleaning process. The rotational speed of your drill can't be matched by hand and results in a more effective scrub in less time and with less effort. The set comes with various sizes to tackle many different tasks such as leather and fabric seats, carpets, door sills, any plastic and vinyl pieces, all types of floor mats and trunk liners, cup holders, tires, and even wheel wells. The best part is they can be used all over the house too, like on showers and tubs, tiles, grout, countertops, and anywhere else you are cleaning that needs a little elbow grease. Just be sure to use the appropriate stiffness for the task to avoid causing any damage. The white is usually a softer bristle, ideal for leather and other delicate surfaces, while the yellow is perfect for some types of carpeting, floor mats, and more durable materials. Number 3 is a high quality wash mitt. It doesn't matter what soap you use or how great it is if you are using poor quality wash media. Microfiber wash mitts do a great job of trapping dirt particles inside its fibers and releasing them in your bucket. This helps reduce dragging all that grit on your paint, causing wash swirls. Number 4 is a VLR brush, which is short for vinyl, leather, and rubber. This doesn't look like much of a brush, but let me tell you, it has some serious cleaning power. Underneath the handle is a felt pad that makes it extremely effective at cleaning those stubborn spots you can't seem to get clean no matter what you do. The short fibers of the felt are able to clean deeper into the grain of leather seats and armrests and the texture of vinyl and plastic areas like door sills without the need to use stronger chemicals. And last but not least is number 5, the ANALAN pet hair remover. People love their pets, but the hair all over them, not so much. This is an essential tool for any dog owner who wants to keep their car and even their home free of fur. The 3 different edges have varying lengths of rubber tips for different tasks, making it fast and easy to get embedded fur out of your vehicle, carpet, and even your couch. The unique triangle design with center hole helps you remove pet hair from different angles without cramping your hands, and even comes with replaceable blades. It works amazingly well for cleaning hair from dogs like huskies, retrievers, and labs, and is a must-have for pet lovers.